ready? Because I'm more than ready. Yeah, this is gonna be amazing. I don't even know how. I never thought I'd be scared to open up a PC. Can I undo this?
Oh, no, not yet. Not yet.
I want to do that.
Hey guys, Bob Stewart, BSMods. I'm here with Blake Snell. We're going to build a pretty killer rig. So, you ready, Blake?
Yeah, I can't wait.
All right, let's get going. Get that thing out. We've got a Corsair case. It's the iCue 400X RGB, or 4000X, sorry. So, we've done a little bit of customization to it with some paint and some other things that you'll see at the end. Okay. Sorry. So,
But it's got your purple for you to, right?
yeah, add a little bit of color, you know, because it seems like I did a little bit of research on you and stuff, so I see you like, you know, color and that kind of thing, so wanted to do a few little customizations. But so then we're gonna use the HX 850i Corsair power supply. So that thing's plenty adequate for everything you could ever want to throw at it. So got that, and then this big dog right here, the Z590E gaming Wi-Fi board, Intel 11700K i7 processor, and then this is something that everybody in the whole world right now is dying to get their hands on. This is the 3080 Ti. Slight customization.
That's sick.
It's even better. You'll see later. It'll make sense. We're going to cool it with the NZXT Kraken Z53. So this is the AIO cooler with the digital screen on the front of it too. That's customizable.
This is insane.
Yeah. Yeah. That's you're a lucky guy. There's not too many people out there with one of those right now. So then we're going to load it up with the fans from Corsair. These are the QL120 RGB. And then this is an extra RGB kit. May or may not use this. This you can like use like behind your monitor and stuff. You can also try to incorporate it in the build, but it might be too much for it. So anyway, so then you've got back here, you've got your Corsair Vengeance RAM, DDR4. This is the 3600, 4 sticks. So you're gonna load up your motherboard. All the slots will be full. And then your storage. This is the 1 terabyte M.2 drive. So won't be any like SSDs or hard drives with wires and all that kind of stuff. It'll just be super clean. So yeah. So now we just gotta get started. Let's just pull the side panels off. We'll leave the paper on for now. Actually, you can. This one's just a glass. You can pull that off if you wanted, but it's just a glass. But yeah, I'm gonna hide it out for you so you can't peek. So in this case, it's pretty easy to access to. A lot of the older style, they would slide the panels, but this one you just unscrew these, and then it actually pops straight out like that. peel.
What? That's sick.
It's
I
a.
thought I was gonna see that. That's sick.
How'd I do on it? Pretty good.
How's it?
I'm gonna start forging checks now.
That's insane. That looks exactly like my signature.
Signature edition.
That's right.
Try to steal my PC.
It's got your name on it, bro. It's like
That's insane. Y'all really went all out. That is crazy.
so these just like I said, they
What
just
you think?
out. So
Yeah,
Cut it,
you
but-
know what I think. You know what I think.
yeah,
Unbelievable.
just like that.
Even like the 4, that's how I do the 4. All weird like. That's insane.
Okay, so just to double check, you've got your SATAs, you've got your 24, you've got your CPU power, and you have your flex. Everything looks like
Emergency the power.
Right here.
okay. So
There it is. The moment of truth.
okay, I mean it's a rat's nest right now, but this is just a test fire to make sure that everything kicks on as it should.
First, make sure that the power supply is on the
Yeah.
position.
Yeah,
On this one?
sure enough.
Yeah.
Yep, you're right. Okay.
Now we can kick
Flip
it.
it on, and we hope that some lights go on the motherboard.
Yeah. This is the scary part when.
Okay, so this is a good sign.
Okay.
Things lit up.
Yeah. So you don't have a monitor plugged in or anything, so.
You can get one. We have.
Okay. So what's happening right now is you've just turned on the power supply. The system itself is not on.
Yeah.
So even when it's in an idle state, the lights on the motherboard will have this going on, and you can custom. You can change how those lights work. You can different colors. You can do all kinds of stuff. Power button's right here.
That will turn it on.
So that's going to turn the system.
Hey, wait. This is where you need to see. This is the shot right here. All right, what are we doing here, Blake?
We're getting freaky naughty. That's what we're doing. Oh, Lord. This lights up too. Some things are an animal. I have my signature, the classically famous, and the Z4 logo. I don't know what else you could add. And all they're gonna say is just wait.
Tell us a little bit about how you came up with some of the design on how to personalize it for Blake.
So we just started with a black case, and we added some purple coloring because of Blake is his love for UW. So we wanted to add a little bit of color to the outside of the case and not just have it plain black. And then we added some elements. We wanted to have some gaming elements and also some of the baseball elements in it. So we've kind of combined it a little bit. So on the inside, we've added some color to the cables that kind of match his classically famous logo that we've got here. This is GPU backplate, custom done with his logo, and it lights up from the backside. And So we wanted to carry that color throughout. So we had custom sleeving done on the cables, and then also on the 24 pin. And then a bunch of LED fans and some other LED lighting. And right now we're just running a particular profile that I just custom did. It's just green and purple mix. It's just real simple, just to get something started on it. But he can custom make a lot of changes to that later, however he wants. Added his logo, or not his logo, I'm sorry. Added his signature to the shroud for the PSU and stuff, so that he's got some personal touches there. And then on the other side, we wanted to have something that would be really special. So, you know, when you have a computer that's custom, we always try to do some movement. So we have movement with lighting and things like that on this side, but on the back side, they're usually pretty boring. So we wanted to have something that was some sort of movement. So what we did was created what's called a lenticular print, so that when you move this, or if you walk by, there's a series of images, so it looks like he's in motion. So we selected some frames that he was winding up for a pitch, throwing the ball, and when you walk by, it looks like he's in action. So just kind of a nice custom touch. Just a static, so, you know, like just sitting there, boring, you know, made it so it dances around a little bit and stuff. So, and you can put like,
Put your face there if you want.
yeah, you can do all kinds of stuff. You can just create your own, you know, and then just load it on the program and stuff. So it's pretty cool.
Are you ready? Because I'm more than ready. This is insane. That's wild. Gotta move the camera around. How'd y'all even come up with that?
Gotta come up with crazy ideas to make something look cool, right?
That's so sick. I don't know why I decided doing this. That's insane.
So now the question is which side are you going to show off? The other side with the lights and
Each
hardware?
stream's gonna change.
I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna do a pedestal that comes off the wall now. So we can
Yeah, I know, right? Changes things a little bit.
well, yeah, do a little front actuator on it to where he can actually just kick it and it'll move like 45 degrees at least.
Huh?
Walk
Yeah,
by
I know,
it.
that's insane, yeah.
Yeah, that's nuts.
All right, Blake, what was your experience today?
Yeah, it was nuts. Way more than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, NVIDIA and BSMods, they came in and they destroyed everything I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be really cool, super custom, but they really personalized it, and they did a lot that I was talking about when we had our phone calls and our meetings, and I mean, they blew it out of the water. I mean, literally everything is custom to what I like, and it was unbelievable. So I couldn't be more thankful for what they did for me. And then what we're gonna be able to do in there in the stream room, and then everything. I mean, they did everything. So this PC is the best I could ever have asked for, and I'm so thankful for that. But definitely NVIDIA and BSMods, they stepped it up, and they definitely hit that for a grand slam. They killed it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We got big things coming. You don't want to miss out, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's keep riding.
Hi, my name is Bob Stewart. I'm with BSMods. Be sure to follow me on Facebook at BSMods, or my website is bsmods.com.